Hello everyone. Welcome to Miller's Language School. In this video,
Using, look, seem, much, a little, a bit, little, who, which. The rule: after verbs look, seem, use adjective, not adverb. Examples: Does it look effective? Does it look effective? Does it seem interesting? Does it seem interesting? Does he look beautiful? Does he look beautiful? Does she look beautiful? Does she look beautiful? The word much. Examples: Do you do it much better? Do you do it much better? Does she make money much better? Does she make money much better? Does he work so much effectively? Does he work so much effectively? How much is it? How much is it? I know too much. I know too much. It's too much. It's too much. Thanks so much. Thanks so much. I say too much. I say too much. I work too much. I work too much. I know that much. I know that much. I want much more. I want much more. You talk too much. You talk too much. I feel much better. I feel much better. Words, a little, a bit, is used with positive quantity and non-countable nouns. It means a small amount or some. Examples. Do you have money? A little. Do you have money? A little. Do you have free time? A bit. Do you have free time? A bit. Do you have a little water? I have a little milk. Do you have a little water? I have a little milk. I want a little sugar. Do you have it? I want a little sugar. Do you have it? She feels a bit bad. She feels a bit bad. I work a bit longer. I work a bit longer. They learn a bit of English. They learn a bit of English. The word little. The word little. Little expresses a diminutive size or a negative quantity. Little means almost nothing or not much. Examples. I'm sorry, I speak little English. I'm sorry, I speak little English. I have little time to finish my homework. I have little time to finish my homework. You know little about this rule. You know little about this rule. Used which or who. Who, used to refer to a human. Which, used to refer to other living beings and objects. Examples. I like this book which really helps me to understand this material. I like this book which really helps me to understand this material. You enjoy your work which gets you money. You enjoy your work which gets you money. He sees his ideas which really work. He sees his ideas which really work. She studies this course which really effective. She studies this course which really effective. I know so many people who work abroad. I know so many people who work abroad. I often communicate with my parents who help me. I often communicate with my parents who help me.
That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, feel free to include in the comments of this video. The expressions you hear must be listened to and repeated several times. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say see you soon for another video.